Good morning, guys. Today is another day. Today we're gonna vlog, and I actually have friends visiting, so I'm about to go pick them up right now. So we're gonna do some things today, probably touristy things. I think we're gonna go to Santa Monica because they've never been, and then I don't know, we'll see what else we do. And I just wanted to show you guys, so you can't see it this way, but I wanted to show you my little bump that I have now. Finding something to wear has gotten so difficult, but I guess I can deal with it. I need to go shopping per usual, but let's see. So you can, oh, is it too dark? It's kind of dark. You can kind of see it there, a little bump here. That's the baby. So kind of crazy. You can see it this way more. Yeah, so there's a little something there now. So crazy. What's up, you guys? We are back, and I have Steph here visiting and Katie visiting. It's super bright here, but
God,
we just
can't see.
Yeah, you can't see. We just got to Venice Beach, so we're about to walk the beach.
Yeah.
They've never been before, so it should be quite interesting.
I'm so excited.
Mike is here too. Say what's up.
Chatting.
So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead on in, and we'll take you guys with us. Today is an active day for us. We're not on the couch.
I know.
We're actually gonna go out and kind of work out.
We're doing the Culver City stairs.
Culver City stairs.
That's what it's called.
Yeah. I thought Mike has been here before, but I guess he said no. I don't know. I thought otherwise.
Got to get this workout in.
So we're gonna see how this goes. I haven't been here in a long time.
Martin Luther King birthday today.
It is.
There's a lot of people off, so it's pretty crowded.
Sure is. But that's all right.
So we're about to give you a little clip of this. Let's go. We not even halfway.
I'm
out of shape.
I'm breathing a little hard, but I have an excuse. I'm carrying an extra, but Mike has no excuse. No, you're not. We're about to hit these stairs, and this is where it gets hard. Your leg's gonna be on fire.
I could already tell.
You gotta take big steps.
Yep.
I got short legs.
You better not fall.
I won't.
We're halfway. How you feeling? We just stopped and got a water break.
Had to stop and drink some water.
Here we go. I'm out of shape. I'm ready to go home. My heart rate going too fast. Get Britt.
Yo, do you guys want to do just like going down?
Come have a seat.
Oh, I'm dead.
This was a bad idea, huh?
No, it's a great idea. I'm supposed to stay active.
I feel terrible. I'm tired. See,
How long? It only took like what, 10 minutes maybe?
about to like 10-15 minutes to get up here.
That's it.
But it's a hump to get here. I'm trying to tell you something.
You gotta stay in shape.
I'm out of shape. I'm out of shape so bad that I could admit it. I'm hurt. I've been eating junk
Mike
food, bad
never
food.
wants to go to the gym.
That's all about to change today.
I mean, granted, I only work out like twice a week, but that's something.
About to get it in now.
You need to.
Day on out. Jay, we about to head back down. Let's go. We're almost to the finish line. As you can see.
That's it.
But
My
tell her
right
why we
calf-
stopped.
Because my right calf is starting to itch. And you know when that happens, that's bad. That hurts.
This walk is real. I'm not even gonna lie to nobody. I thought I was gonna come out here and just cake it.
You always think that.
Listen, him is out of shape, like I told y'all earlier. Go keep doing this though weekly. About to get in shape. Let's go. 2020. Finally made it down the hill. That was a cool little adventure. First time on the Culver City
My legs
walk.
are itching so bad right now. Like,
You know when the blood flow all the way to your thighs?
mm-mm.
That's what she going through right now. But we
Hurt.
can't stop. You gotta get to the car, get some water, get some food.
Lunchtime.
I'm going to sleep.
You
She
don't
go-
need to take no nap.
She's going to eat some lunch by herself. I'm going
Why?
night. I'm tired.
You need to eat. Fuel your body.
But yeah, that was that's it for this little vlog right here for y'all.
Make sure that you hit the thumbs up button, like our video, make sure you subscribe if you are not subscribed. Join us and do that.
And hit
button.
that bell.
Hit
for
the bell
post
so you're notified. And yeah, so we'll see you guys in the next video.
Peace.